Welcome back everyone. So how you can switch between light and dark mode in Windows 11. So how you can switch between dark mode to light mode to dark in Windows 11. So how you can do that? First of all, open the settings. So we can go the settings, open the settings, and you can see the personalize option in left hand side. Click on the personalize option, then click on color option. Okay, now you can see choose your mode. Okay, we have selected dark mode. Okay, so we can select from here to light mode. Okay, so I have selected light mode and you can see everything is changed to light. Okay, if I want to switch again dark mode, I can select the dark. Okay, and there is one more option, the custom. You can select and choose customize way. Okay, choose your default Windows mode, choose your default app mode. That's like that. Okay, so I'll select this dark. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video, and if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye.